Hello everybody, it's very good to see you here. I'm Seongha, a postdoc in the School of Architecture, Building and Civil Engineering at Loughborough University in the UK. Today I'm presenting work on the role of blockchain in enhancing trust in terms of construction project governance. My presentation has 5 parts, including background, methodology, and results. And then I will explain trust-based construction project governance model and its practical application. And then I will finalize my presentation with conclusions. Let's dive into the background first. I want to explain 2 important keywords in this research. The first one is construction project governance. The second one is blockchain technology. Construction project is characterized by interactions between many stakeholders within complex internal and external networks. Construction project governance, CPG, provides appropriate structures and processes for decision making in a construction project. In general, governance frameworks can be divided into 2 types. The first one is contractual governance. The second type is relational governance. As you can see, contractual governance is also known as hierarchical or formal governance. Their power relations are relatively static. They are legally binded. They are using control-based mechanism. In contrast, relational governance is also known as cooperative or network governance. They have flexible power relations and they are psychologically binded. They are using trust mechanism. As you can see, contractual governance is the structure, hierarchical structure. On the other hand, the relational governance is network-based architecture, like this. The current construction project governance frameworks adopt a types of control-based contractual governance by using various governance tools such as procurement method and construction contract and project assurance and key performance indicators. However, these contractual, hierarchical-based, rigorous structures and processes result in a lack of trust among construction project stakeholders. What is a blockchain technology? Blockchain is a distributed database or data ledger that provides more flexible access and validity by storing records of transactions and events in blocks. A blockchain consists of 4 main parts: P2P networks, hashing algorithms, and consensus algorithms, and cryptography. Blockchain can be an enabler for more flexible, trust-based construction project governance. Specifically, immutable records of transactions and events in blockchain networks can enhance trust in construction project governance context. However, existing research has failed to fully explore the benefits of blockchain as a trust enabler in terms of trust-based construction project governance. We set out 2 research objectives. The first one is to explore trust requirements of construction project governance. Second one is to assess the relationship between the trust requirement and blockchain characteristics in construction project governance context. We've adopted state-of-the-art review. Databases are Scopus and Web of Science. And searching keywords are trust, governance, relational governance, and relational norm, construction, and blockchain. A total 32 papers have been selected. Our findings provide several theoretical foundations for trust-based construction project governance. The first one is common pool resource. Yes, a construction project can be regarded as a common pool scenario with a shared resource pool, decision-making rights, and risk-reward. Second important concepts are agency theory and transaction cost economics. Yeah, they assume construction project stakeholders can be opportunistic, selfish, and possess bounded rationality in the common pool resource context. Yeah, inter-organizational trust is limiting negatives in legally intertwined entities by fostering mutual benefits, knowledge sharing, and emotional bonds. Yeah, self-organization describes the phenomenon where many agents interact with each other in a disordered, complex construction project situation. Stigmergy is an example of self-organization involving indirect communication and learning processes through non-linear routes and methods. Contingency and network theory emphasize the organization effectiveness and the efficiency of construction project networks are main important things for trust-based construction project governance. The last thing is mutuality, flexibility, and solidarity between project stakeholders. They are trust requirement in the context of construction project governance. There are 6 key characteristics of blockchain technology. The decentralization, blockchains operates without a central administrator or centralized data storage. The immutability, once data are added, a transaction on the blockchain networks cannot be cancelled or altered. Security, blockchain use public and private keys for transaction data protection and fraud prevention. Traceability, every blockchain transactions is recorded, timestamped, and accessible from any node in the blockchain networks. The transparency, authorized blockchain network participants can access to the same data version. And last is autonomy. Blockchain offers autonomous services through smart contract functioning as computerized business protocols. To sum up, in a construction project conceptualized by a common pool resource and stigmergy, there are 3 trust requirements: mutuality, flexibility, and solidarity. We already identified blockchain key characteristics: decentralization, and immutability, and security, traceability, and transparency, and autonomy. Via commitment using blockchain, democratized control, participatory decision making, and transparent obligations and decentralized decision making, and ethical accountability by using blockchain, and reliable information sharing, accountable cultural system, and data integrity, and secure access control. Definitely, obviously, blockchain characteristics can increase construction project governance trust requirements. Relational project governance through blockchain. Blockchain consists of several blockchain layers. The application layer, consensus, data, and network, and infrastructure layers can increase 3 trust requirements of construction project governance. Via common data environment, CDE, we can directly connect contractual project governance based on construction contract, project assurance, quality assurance, key performance indicators. these connections result in trust-based construction project governance model. Based on this theoretical model, we came up with the practical application of trust-based construction project governance. This is the part of my journal paper I'm preparing. I will explain the brief overview of this application. This is the structure of relational construction project governance using blockchain. Via CDE, we can directly connect the existing conventional contractual project governance using construction contract, procurement method, and KPIs, and then you can adopt any governance tools in this network. This structure is quite flexible. That is the detailed network diagram of relational CPG through blockchain. As you can see, based on our data collections, we set out 2 blockchain channels based on the Hyperledger fabric. I will explain further. According to the specific project scenario, we've developed the blockchain system and applications by using Hyperledger Fabric as a blockchain platform, a cloud computing system using Azure, Kubernetes, and Docker, smart contracts using Go, API with Node.js, and user interfaces based on Angular. You can visit my code repository. We opened our source. And then finally, we've developed, the left side is the user interfaces. The right side is the blockchain database by using Hyperledger Explorer. In conclusion, through a state-of-the-art review, this study identified the trust requirement of CPG, mutuality, flexibility, and solidarity. This study assessed the relationship between trust requirement and blockchain characteristics in CPG context. And this study proposed a trust-based construction project governance model. And to establish the practicalities of using this new practical model, the next step is to explore fully developed blockchain-enabled construction project governance and validation with the real case studies. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.